Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. This is a channel where we explore the fascinating world of interior design. In this video, we showcase a collection of modern floor tile designs that will inspire you to create a stylish and contemporary space. When choosing floor tiles for your living room and bedroom, there are several important factors to consider. Here are some tips to help you make the right decision. Number 1. Consider the overall style. Determine the style you want to create in your living room and bedroom. Whether it's modern, traditional, and rustic, select floor tiles that complement the existing decor and contribute to the desired atmosphere. Number 2. Assess the size of the room. Take into account the size of the room when selecting floor tiles. Larger tiles can create an illusion of space in smaller rooms, while smaller tiles can work well in larger rooms, providing a more intricate and detailed look. Number 3. Think about durability. Living rooms and bedrooms are high traffic areas, so it's crucial to choose durable floor tiles that can withstand regular use. Option for materials like porcelain or ceramic tiles, which are known for their durability and longevity. Number 4. Consider comfort. Since you have been spending a sufficient amount of time in the living room and bedroom, consider the comfort level of the floor tiles. Tiles with a slightly textured or matte finish can provide a better grip and feel more comfortable underfoot. Number 5. Pay attention to the maintenance. Consider the level of maintenance required for the floor tiles. For area prone to spills or stains, choose tiles that are easy to clean and maintain. Porcelain tiles, for example, are stain resistant and relatively low maintenance. Number 6. Harmonize colors and patterns. Coordinate the colors and patterns of the floor tiles with the overall color scheme and decor of the room. Neutral tones can create a timeless and versatile look, while bolder colors or patterns can add a unique focal points to the space. Number 7. Think about lighting. Take into account the amount and direction of natural and artificial lighting in the room. Lighter color tiles can reflect light and make the room appear brighter, while darker color tiles can add depth and create a cozy atmosphere. Number 8. Consider underfloor heating. If you are interested in incorporating underfloor heating, ensure that the chosen floor tiles are compatible with the system. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are excellent options for use with underfloor heating. Number 9. Seek professional advice. If you are unsure about the best tile options for your living room and bedroom, consult with a professional designer or tile expert who can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs. Remember, the flooring you choose will have a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your living room and bedroom. By considering these tips and taking your time to explore various options, you can select floor tiles that enhance the aesthetic, comfort, and functionality of your spaces. Whether you are a design expert or a homeowner seeking inspiration, this video will guide you through the latest trends and timeless classics in floor tile designs. Let your creativity run wild as you visually the endless possibilities for your own unique living spaces. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration, helpful tips and expert advice. I hope this video is according to your taste. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.